Thanks for joining us today for kick-off meeting. We want to introduce our new primary school project, PS320X, which located in Boxing in the eastern part of New York City. For the first part, we want to introduce the meeting agenda for today. Firstly is introduction for our team. Secondly is the site and context for the new primary school. The third part, we have some questions for our developer. First, we have two option design project strategy to show us. Next is schedule and what we will do in the future. Let me introduce our fantastic group team. Specifically, we have Jingjing Xi as our project manager for this whole new primary school project, and Meng Zhang will be our leader project design. Ruijie Wang will be our manager leader for this group. The second part, I want to show you about the neighborhood, site surrounding, and the photos for this primary school. This is a map from Google Maps to show what the current situation for this site. The proposed new school is here. It will accommodate approximately 500 students in the future, which located in the East Farms neighborhood in Boxing. The area has transformed significantly with new high-rise development along the Sheldon Expressway. The building site is located along Bowling Avenue and East 133rd Street in the heart of high-rise residential development. The neighborhood fabric consists of mostly high-density residential buildings with commercial area, park area, and several schools. Close to the site remains lighting manufactured buildings with garage. Public transportation including 5 and 2 trains and city buses are easily accessed to this area. This area is bounded by Sheldon Expressway to the east, which limits access to the Boxing Riverfront and park. We propose in the future there would be a bridge crossing our site to the streetlight parking. It will easily make the students have access to starlight parking. This detailed mapping shows us the school, manufacturing commercials, the park in different locations, the site. This compact residential phase is the high-rise residential. It including phase 1, 2, 3. Outside is along with commercial residential phase 3. There are some photos show the situation for now. We can see a lot of garage for now. This building is a complete residential phase 1 and 2. There are the opposite side for the site. This is the high-rise residential building. This picture shows us the designer wants to create a vertical green space for the student. Next, I want to introduce the side character for this new school project. Mendonomok Developer LLC is currently constructing phase 3 of the complex residential along the Sheldon Expressway. Once completed, the building will provide approximately 1,300 apartments, commercial space, and open mid-block plaza. It provides access towards to the future Sheldon Corridor project. The current construction will overlap with the completion of the proposed new school. In order to facilitate proper coordination during construction and the resolution of complex issues, our office will work closely with Mondonoco Group. There are several factors which are carefully reviewed and analyzed that affect the building massing, entry, and the section organization of the proposed scheme. Zoning and the regular requirements along with transforming affect the neighborhood fabric. From this side view rendering picture, we can see there exist two paddock-frees. The whole Western Farms area of Boxing was originally low-rise manufacturing and residential zones. In 2017, the area underwent rezoning, which allowed I-7A and I-8X zoning made of the high-rise residential buildings. The proposed site is defined with two zones, I-7A and I-8X. In both high-rise residential zoning, the building presented by our office will develop efficiency program organizations that do not exist building neighborhoods and the height. The new school is ranging from 6th to 5th floor high. Next, I want to introduce the project for this area and some basic information about the Sheldon Corridor project. In March 2017, Governor Cuomo announced that avocado of $700 million to overhaul in the Sheldon Expressway, also known as Interstate 895, which runs for just over a mile connecting the Buckner and the Crossing Boxing Expressway. The mayor's plan is to turn the Sheldon Expressway into a tree-lined boulevard with presidential crossing, especially connecting the community with Street Park, Starlight Park, and the Boxing River front. One of these presidential access points is proposed at East 133rd Street, just north to the site, and would be a great amenity to the school community. We also have some questions for our developers. Question to Mondonoco Development and other stakeholders. Please provide the following for the joint site if available: borrowing report, site survey, GTAC report, current construction schedule and site access plan, foundation design of the projected proposed building construction classification, unity plan indicating all POE. We have other considerations: how to approach to stormwater management, how to approach to dewatering, how to shield water yard possibilities, and the last question is tax lot separation. Here we want to show you guys about the design strategy, including option 1 and option 2. Option 1 is transformed initial tax feed provided by SCA. It's a 5-story building, which including gym, auditorium on the top floor. We have different approaches. We defined a building, a core, and a required engaged location. We want to maximize programming organization and efficiency around the core. This is the different floor plan for these buildings. We have different color scheme for the proposal. This is the site plan rendering view for the new primary school. This is the middle block green plaza. Here is the effect rendering showing us what the option 1 will look like in the future. This is another option 2 is our preferred scheme. It's a 5-story classroom zone, 3-storm gymnasium zone, center access to gym and rooftop play area. Its south-facing play area and the middle block open area are connected together. We have the approach is our outdoor play area. We can see clearly from the story plan and the color scheme. This is the plan rendering view for the whole proposal. This shows us when it completed, the option 2 looks like. Thanks for joining us today, this kickoff meeting, and we're looking forward to your feedback. Have a good day.